Artificial intelligence is ready for the business world at scale. Here are 7 ways that businesses large and small can use AI today. Marketing. In the marketing space, businesses can use AI to develop marketing strategies as well as execute on them. Sales. Companies can now maximize sales opportunities through improved forecasting and more accurate predictions of customer needs. Research and development. R&D departments can more efficiently identify problems, which can lead to much more effective solutions. Processes. Routine processes can be performed and evaluated. From that evaluation data, new and improved processes arise to help businesses function more efficiently. Human resources. Artificial intelligence is very useful in identifying talent and properly utilizing all of the skills of all of the people involved in an organization. Manufacturing. The manufacturing space is traditionally one of AI's sweet spots. Machine learning and execution helps provide quality control, anticipate demand, and improve workflow through data analytics. Customer experience, an area vital to every business. AI functions compile data from client and prospect interactions and use that data to aid companies with critical issues such as preparation, approach, and presentation. Artificial intelligence is here, and it will only continue to impact and transform business.